is really the concept of search. And Ian touched on that a little bit a while ago. How many people here use Outlook, use folders? Store things in folders, right? So question, why do you store stuff in folders?
Organized.
Right, you do it to organize. Some other reasons that you store folders, things in folders, right? A lot of times your folders are PST file. It's not part of your inbox. And you have to move stuff to folders because how many of you got the email that says you've reached a limitation in your inbox and you can't send and receive mail until you clean it up? Everyone receive that? So you know what I used to do? I'd wait till I get to that. I go back through my email, I go through the emails, I find emails, and then I download the attachments, move them off to a file server somewhere, and then I'd save the email because I had to get my inbox down. The other problem I think you find with folders is that if you've been in a place a long time where the folder structure breaks down, is let's say you have 5 folders, and I don't know how many you have, and you put emails in there. Now, the reason you put stuff in the folders, right, was to organize the mail to get to it quickly. But if you have 300 emails in one folder, how do you find what you need then? Because it's not like there's 5 and you can click through all of them and find it quickly. You have to do some type of search. Now again, I was a long time Outlook user at previous places. I worked at companies that use Lotus Notes. And when I first started using Google Apps, I said, well, I'm going to create the folder structure. And I found, as Ian mentioned, I spent a whole bunch of time managing the folder structure instead of actually finding my email. So a couple of things that we're going to cover in terms of search capabilities. The same rich search capabilities that you have when you go out and search Google, they've provided that feature and functionality within Google Apps. So there's going to be 4 search things to remember, and there's actually a document out there you can download. You can write them down. If I want to go, and again, I don't really use the folders, if I want to find email from Allison, right? Allison's sitting in the back of the room. And I say Allison Coleman there. Now, by me typing up in the top part of it, from colon, and Allison's email address, within that second, I find all the emails that are from Allison. So that's nice, but that doesn't really narrow it down, right? I mean, over time, I've received thousands of emails from Allison. So, if I want to find specific emails from Allison, let's say that I know that Allison sent me an Excel spreadsheet the other day. I can just quickly type in file name, XLS. Boom. 1 second, comes back. Finds all the emails from Allison that attain an Excel spreadsheet. If I didn't know it is an Excel spreadsheet and I just know that she sent me an attachment, I can type in something called as attachment. And now it finds all the emails from Allison that have an attachment.